I recently picked up the Amazon FlexiSpot Recliner chair, and I have to say it's been a solid addition to my space. And just for reference, I'm 5'4", and this chair was a great size for me. And I have to say, right out of the box, I was impressed by how easy it was to set up. There was no complicated instructions or tools required. The chair itself felt really sturdy and well built, which gives me the confidence that it's going to last me a very, very long time. And the thing I was most impressed by was the comfort level. This chair was super comfortable, and I loved the adjustable reclining feature. Whether I'm working or just relaxing, being able to recline with the footrest is a huge game changer. And the size of the chair made it even cozier. And I just have to say, an awesome plus for me would be just how easy the footrest was to put away. I've had many issues in the past with other recliner chairs with the footrest being too hard to stuff away, but this one was just absolutely perfect. There was no hassle, no struggle, just pure relaxation. And one of the best things about this chair is how versatile it is. It comes with many great features. I fell in love with the fact that it can rock back and forth because it adds an extra layer to the soothing experience. And on top of that, it's super easy to move around in. So whenever I want to just grab a drink or snack lying right next to me, I can just spin the chair around and I'm good to go. And I adore the sleek, neutral design of the chair. It fits well both in my home office and living room, and it doesn't even take up too much space. And the cushioning and leather felt super rich and luxury. The cushioning is just the right balance of soft and supportive. Plus, the chair has some nice armrests that make it feel extra cozy. And the feel of the leather felt super high quality in my opinion. In terms of comfort, this chair definitely delivers. Overall, this recliner is totally worth it if you're looking for a comfortable, adjustable chair to chill or work in. I'd highly recommend. And they're having an AMZ sale, so use the code down below to save more. Their best-selling fabric is back in stock, so make sure to shop before the sale ends to give your home a fresh makeover for spring.